Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Today we learn about subordinating conjunctions, specifically so that, which shows purpose in sentences. So that connects the main action to the reason why it happens. This helps explain why we do things in clear English sentences. So that is a subordinating conjunction. It connects a main clause to a purpose clause. The main clause shows the action. The purpose clause answers why that action happened, so that always links forward from main action to its purpose. Listen to these examples. She turned up the volume so that she could hear the music better. He worked overtime so that he could take time off next week. They installed security cameras so that they could monitor the premises at all times. She wrote a to-do list so that she would not forget any important tasks. The pattern is simple. Main clause plus so that plus purpose clause. Both clauses need subject plus verb. The purpose clause explains why. For example, I study hard so that I can pass the exam. Main clause first, then so that, then purpose. 4 important rules. First, always use modal verbs like can, could, would, might in the purpose clause. Second, main clause comes before so that. Third, both clauses need subject plus verb. Fourth, it always answers the question, why did you do that? Notice the modal verbs in purpose clauses. I left early so that I could catch the train. She shouted so that he could hear her. We saved money so that we can travel next year. He studied hard so that he would pass the exam. Modal verbs show possibility in purpose. Now practice with these sentences. Complete them using so that. I speak slowly so that you can understand. She took notes so that she would not forget. We arrived early so that we could get good seats. He whispered so that nobody would hear. Here are the correct answers. I speak slowly so that you can understand. She took notes so that she would not forget. We arrived early so that we could get good seats. He whispered so that nobody would hear. Remember the pattern. Main clause plus so that plus subject plus modal verb.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.